Till death? Okay. Okay, let's, can I open the map, please?
No, you may not.
Well, I'm doing it anyway.
Alright.
So we can do that now. I'll just try to stick to the areas that I know. I don't know, so we go to Kiri. Whoa, sweet prank, bro. What the? Okay. Oh, that was level 20.
He knows too much.
Is there a stone anywhere on the surface? That was level 8. Bro, that's level 18. We gotta go do that. Okay, yeah. We got like 3 quests over here we could do, so let's go do them. Look at us. We look awesome now. You wanna go to the headquarters? You wanna stop by that little building over there? There's that little magic building over there, remember? Up there.
Oh, you probably should.
We don't have to go to the headquarters for every... Oh my god! Arcade Temple. Okay, you do that while I, for some reason, check... Do you want to upgrade your magic? Sorry, bro. Oh my gosh, I forgot I had the wind swirly.
Yeah.
Man, I'm a goofball.
Hear me out.
Do it.
Level 5 heal paw.
Yes. That's going to be so much help.
Alright,
That's
that's enough for me.
Oh, it increases attack!
Man, you could have used that.
Nuts! Well, I'm good.
Yeah, lunge, just damage. Oh, no, we need to upgrade everything else.
What button was it? Oh, there we go. I remembered the button. I don't know, swordsman. Swordsman. Let's take the shortcut.
Yes, the secret entrance.
What? This level 8, let's do it. Hey, could you let us pause? Some dogs attacked us and we need to keep them out. Spell of the cats. Wait, you're also a dog? Yup. You're a good dog? Okay. So, some dogs ambushed us from the ocean. Get a boat. We managed to chase them away, but I'm sure they'll be back. A spell recipe. It's for a barrier spell to keep the dogs out. Yeah.
Seems legit.
Could you help me ask a mage to make it? I'll be busy cleaning up all the dog fur they left behind.
Bro, make your dog food.
How did they even get that much off? That's so much fluff. You're our helper today. Hello, your Majesties. How can I help you? You give the spell recipe to the mage. Oh, barrier spell, you say? I can help you make it. First, we'll need cat fur balls, your Majesties. I remember there's some near the trees outside. Why there? Watch out for bats. They love collecting the fur balls for their nest. What, do we just leave them everywhere on the ground?
Who's we? I can do that.
You pick up the fur balls. Whoa. Oh, I thought we were in combat.
Oh,
How did he get all the way over here? And why do you keep beating them up? Woof! Woof, 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 woof! Woof!
I'm facing the wrong direction.
You're keeping watch.
At the mountain?
Yes. Woof! Bark, 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 woof! Bow wow, bow wow. A-woo! A-woo! Bro, I can't keep making these sounds. Your Majesties, over here. I was furry worried the bats ate you. Bro, please. As if they could lay a scratch on us. You give the mage the fur balls. What was wrong with that guy? I just realized. Why was he the only one barking? Brilliant! Now we need dog fur balls, but how do we... Oh, there's some at South Part? Fascinating. Let's go, Your Majesties. Fine. Wow, there's a lot. Oh, is there a dog living here? There's so much dog fur. Oh. You get down to one. Yeah. You paw over the fur balls. Alrighty, one barrier spell coming up. I'll be back, Your Majesties. So now what? Oh. I'm back, Your Majesties. Well, that was easy. I think this is a tracking spell, not a barrier spell, but I could be wrong. Mage gives you a spell crystal. I'll be taking my leave now, Your Majesties. Farewell.
I like how they just don't question anything.
You give the head town cat the spell crystal.
Those are some people that value privacy.
The masters of minding their own business. Thank you for the barrier spell. And you even cleared up the dog fur. Strange that they keep appearing. Here's a reward. Awesome! I could have used that earlier, but now I got a sweet sword. That looks like a moon, now that I'm looking at it. We'll need more help later. Come see us again. Well, we can do that right now. Why is there a piece of paper on the ground? It's level 12, bro. Would you stop bushing and get over here? Woof! Woof! Arf, arf. P-L-E-A-S-E, woof. H-E-L-P. Bark.
Man. Too bad I don't really like this spell. A tragic day indeed.
Curse of the dogs. How did they manage that then?
What?
Oh, screw it. Follow notes.
I didn't even could read.
I'm just eyeballing it. Oh, I thought we had to read. As I was saying, I thought we had to reach. I've said reach 3 times now. Read each individual note. Yo, hey, in here! Hurry up before they see you. We'll go on. Go to the capital cave, bro. Where are you going?
Every turn.
Yes, over here. Come here. Well, that was amazing. You talk to him. I'm the real head town cat of South Part. Whoa. Those mutts that invaded us made us look like dog... What? Those mutts that invaded us made us look like dogs with some weird smoke bombs. But what they did... What they did doesn't work in the dark. That's why we called you here. And now we're separated. Please check on the rest to see if they're okay. Is that a child? As you cast lightning, almost hitting him. Be a little responsible, bro. Oh, you can understand us now. That smoke bomb messed up our speech, too. We had no choice but to pounce away and hide, but thank you for checking up on us. See, I could have used that.
I couldn't resist.
No, I needed to see it. Now I know that I wasted my time. I could have been an awesome cosplay from the start. Hey, those mutts disguised themselves as us, took our places and chased us out. Don't worry about me. I'll join up with the others soon. What the? They flip-flopped? That's gross, actually. Why would they do that?
I don't know.
What was the goal here?
I don't know.
You two! I tried to talk to you outside earlier, but you couldn't understand me. Oh. I saw them preparing a tracking spell. For us! They want to get rid of us because we're witnesses. I must warn the others. Oh. We messed up.
Treasure!
Nah, bro, whatever's in there can't be as good as our stuff. Oh.
It's not.
Is there gonna be a bigger, shinier crystal? Oh. Oh, you two! What a furry... Not the head town cat. What a furry coincidence. Preemptive strike? You're accusing me of being a dog? Okay, you're right. I am a dog. But while I was looking around, I found out cats are just like us, trying their furry best to survive this war. I can't let the other dogs track down the cats. Meet me back at Southpaw later. So what, now you're a good guy? No, bro, I'm pretty sure that was a preemptive strike. The news. Oh, okay, go ahead. Welcome back. Will you help me set up the barrier spell? Return of the cats. That sounds oddly sinister. Go ahead. Shh, it's a bluff. In case anyone's listening, Rough K, do you see that?
Where?
That's the tracking spell. They're about to activate it to track down the cats. I'll grab it and then we'll throw it away outside.
What is it outside?
Follow me! Wait! My nose is picking up something dangerous. I am Stormbringer! That was my awesome battle cry. Hurry! I don't know if the other dogs heard that.
I don't think that's a battle cry. That was just a sentence.
Well, it sounded cool to me. We need to get rid of this tracking spell as far away as possible. Then we're to the dog continent.
Right.
They would never think to look there.
But they don't think that the dogs are actually cats.
Bark, no. It's too late. They found us. What's this, soldier? Were you taking that tracking spell? Sure, we shouldn't do this. We're just prolonging the war. All of us just want to survive. Doing this will only lead to more destruction. Orders are orders. Pause up, boys. There's a traitor in our pack. We're gonna rough you all up. That's not very nice.
Nope.
Does he? Okay, well. Not sure what the plan was. It smells like shame. Also, was that supposed... Are you smelling him or...
Yes. I'm sorry.
Thank you for stopping them. While you were fighting, I threw away the tracking spell. In the river?
I don't know.
I also removed the curse on the cats. They should be fine now. Oh, here, take this. Rad. Now we have the helmet and the armor.
Twice.
I'll head on home now. I just hope this rough and war will end soon. Warp? Oh yeah, wait, so that's all of that done? We don't have to go back to the port?
I don't know. Let's see.
Well, we could just...
Alright, let's go away places.
Fine!
Let's go please.
Nothing here! Do you still say the same thing? Yup. Same thing, bro. Wait a minute, the capital. Oh yeah, that's right, the capital. The one by the blacksmith. You know, the little box. There it is.
Well, maybe we might over here. We might go up here.
Oh yeah, good idea. Specifically this armor, because it's cool. Hey y'all. Let's go to level 10.
Alright.
Then we do that first. Wahoo! Okay, your turn. Red. Oh yeah. Alright, we're awesome now.
Yeah.
Now let's do this one. Level 18. This is gonna be easy. Hey y'all, found out what's wrong with the note. Holler if you're here. Wink. Case of the coded note. What was this one? I know we were investigating
I think it
something.
was about that note.
Well, I mean, I know that, but like, what led up to the events?
Ooh.
Ah, we'll get a refresher. Okay, so the note's protected by a spell. I know a mage who can help us. He likes pouncing around Catface. I wrote a message to explain everything to him. Kit Kat gives you the note and message. Give those to him. Excuse me. The soldier seems to be purring to himself. If red numbers pop out, it means the monster is weak to that attack. Gray numbers mean they're resistant to it. That's super helpful.
But like, if numbers show up, then it's taking damage. And it's all that matters.
If it bleeds, we can kill it. Your Majesties, how can I help you? You give the mage the note and message. Oh, the note has a spell that disguises the written words, eh? I can decode it. I just need a crystal found in that cave.
Where did Pooh come from?
What does that say? Precluded?
I don't know.
Clouded? Purple cave?
I'm purple.
Percluded. How do we get out of this? Oh. Well, that was easy.
Yeah, okay.
And dying. That bat was not dying. Oh, that's the chest. My bad. Huh? Oh yeah, I forgot. How much did that heal now? It's like 75, right?
Yeah. Yay.
Oh, come on! I could have looked awesome so early in the game. You collected the crystal. Oh, we did it. Okay, I'll stand by the exit. You get that chest. Unless I need to be there. I'm just gonna go with just in case. Hooray! Another thing we could have used earlier. Wah! Alright, we got your crystal. Can you not talk to him?
I just thought you were gonna do it.
I want you to do it. You give the mage the crystal. Brilliant, your majesties. Give me a moment to decode this note. The sounds of decoding.
Yes, I told him that mouse made decoding.
And decoding complete. Here, your majesties. You take back the decoded note. Oh, here, take this as well. I have no use for it.
Oh,
Bruh, we could have used that.
it's the healing step, but now I have an awesome mystic unhealing sword.
Remember to give the note back to Kit later. Farewell. Oh, that was up for some reason. How do we give this back to Kit? You do it. Hey y'all, be it with you once you have the note ready. Wink. In case of the secret password.
Who
Oh,
writes
do
that
it.
wink?
Hey, you loves, where's the decoded note?
In your face.
Purple ninja cats, new hideouts in the furriest cave. Remember the password. We have a purple ninja cat.
Yay.
We're just gonna let us right in.
Steal.
I should have known. Them ninja cats been hijacking my shipment since forever. So if the blueprint's in their hideout, we need the password. And what's the password?
It's ding dong.
No foo 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 foo. They'll never get the password from me. Oh, looks like he knows the password. He must one of them ninja cats in disguise. Go get the password from him, ya highnesses. And be careful. They have some pesky ninja spells called Mutsu. Can we learn it? I want to learn jutsus. Give me your ninja stuff. No password for you. I'll show you the might of Purple Ninja. Lightning on Mewtwo. A ram? I was supposed to summon a lightning bolt, Yufu. I'll try again, Yufu. Lightning on Mewtwo! Not again. How about Fire Mewtwo? Never mind. This could still work. Get him. Whirlwind! I'm resistant to this ram's electrical attacks. Why'd I oh my gosh, I just realized I ran past him. A squirrel? You'll never find me! Bro. This rock looks oddly cat-shaped. I like how far the camera can go.
It is very comedic.
Alright, you, spill the beans. You might have found me. But guess what? Chicken butt.
Bro, what kind of a response is that?
See this? This is the true armor of the Purple Ninja. Newfu, we have a better one. I will defeat you. Mucilously.
Leaving you two.
Whirlwind sprint. Meow, wow, wow, wow. Wait, I'm very sorry. I'll tell you the password, Newfu. The password's Murato. That's all I know. Thank you for showing me mercy. Here, your highnesses, I wanted to check up on you. Where did that squirrel come from?
I don't know.
Ow! Oh!
No, it's a enemy.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, it is if I take damage. We know now.
You get the password? Awesome job, your highnesses. Here, found this one on the way here. You can have it. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. I'll be going back to the Capital Smithy. Call me out when you're here, when you're there. You never know. We have to be prepared. I think we went the wrong way. Yeah, bro, I think we just went the long way. Yeah, because we went across that tiny bridge over there.
Oh, that's a one-way bridge now.
22. Easy, let's go. Hey, y'all, now that you have the password, let's get my blueprints back. Wink. Case of the hidden grudge. Hey, loves, time to head to the forest cave and use the password. Then we can finally get back my blueprint. Good luck, sweeties.
That was a big game, right?
Oh my gosh, we're just going to a cave. It's not that hard.
Oh, sorry.
Find a hideout somewhere in the cave. This should be easy. Why is there a box over there? But how do we get to it? Ow. Oh, come on. We could have used that. There's another one.
Oh.
Well, that's good to know. Whoa!
Nice. Bro, so good at these games.
Still can't find the hidden passages and stuff. No! I'll investigate it. Password? Wait, what was that? You need to speak up. Ah, never mind, I'm coming. I'm the boss. Why am I the one watching the entrance?
What?
Now you gotta know where to go. Wait, you're no purple ninja.
What do
Yeah,
you
he is! Oh, I get it. You're Kit Kat's minions. Excuse me? I am no minion. I am a king! Here for the blueprint? Duh. Well, she deserves it. All our previous leaders fell for her charms. And they abandoned us for a chance at her paw in marriage. Oh. Bro, wait, what was that for? Are you fighting for a woman?
Fury of angry emoji.
Looks like you won't leave without a fight, huh? Furry fine. Furry clone Mewtwo!
Oh.
Just attack the Mewtwo! Ah, spikes! Did we do it?
Powerful.
Oh my gosh. It's too late. Kit Kat will be no more. What's this? Receipt. DR490N01. Receipt blueprints. Payment. Kit Kat's demise. Progress. Assassin dispatched. The Royal Army. Foul deed! Okay, we grab this real quick and we go.
Oh. That's a basic ninja.
Action roll! Oh, there you are, your highnesses. I got a little worried. Come here. Sorry. Sorry. You give Kit Kat the receipt.
You know very well I would have done that anyway.
Oh, there's an assassin after me? And he has my blueprint! Furballs! Oh wait, here, before I forget, a word for all your hard work. Neat.
No!
But it looks neat.
No, I need to be purple!
I'm sure the assassin will show up later. Till then, I'll be at the capital smithy. Well then, let's go. Like, we got nothing else. What the heck? Who are you? Oh, 35. But no, I want to finish up this neat little quest, you know, and a cute ribbon. Hey y'all, I got a note from the assassin. I need to show it to you. Wink. Then let's go. Case of the missing what? Hey again, your highnesses. Look at what the note says. Kit Kat, I have your blueprint. If you want it back, meet me near the deep forest. I need to see this assassin for myself. Let's go, your highnesses. Follow me. If you insist. We're a party of 3. I don't see anyone. What was that? Don't tell me. Oh no. Wow, they sent a whole dragon after Kit Kat. Holy moly, the assassin's a dragon? This is bad. Furry bad. You're saying you can handle this, your highnesses? Then please be careful. Well,
Legal things.
wow.
What?
I can't believe they sent an entire dragon. That is hilarious. What would a dragon even need with blueprints? You pick up the blueprint dropped by the dragon. There's a strange object hidden behind the blueprint. Over here, your highnesses. Gee, we could use your help, Miss Hammer Warrior or whatever. No experience?
No.
Rad. That means we got it all. No experience ball left behind. You return Kit Kat her blueprint. Yes! My blueprint! For the part to make armor! It's finally back in my paws! You give Kit Kat the strange object. Wait a minute. This is a dragon scale. This is it. I could use this to complete the part to make armor.
But like, why is it only one?
I don't know.
I mean, that was a whole dragon right there.
I need my tools for this. I'll see you back at the capital smithy. Because that's how all drops happen.
But like, why can't you just pluck them all out? Or would it be too cursed to see a scaleless dragon?
Whoa!
What?
Let's wrap this up real quick.
Oh.
Okay, your highnesses. Wait here for a bit. Just 5 seconds. What, that was easy?
Yeah.
Oh, this one! There you go. Thanks for all the possum help. Oh wait, almost forgot. I have something a little extra for y'all.
Nice.
Well then, I'll see you around, your highnesses. How'd you get us both?
Just divide the.
Okay, I think we're a little overtimed.
Are we?
Oh, yeah, we're actually, no, we're good. Yeah, let's wrap up here. We're good. Pause. And I mean literally pause. Thank you.
Touch your toes to me anymore.
I know.